I know we had a look last time at the underneath, but I think there's some bits I missed, so I want to have a closer look. That bit there is not very good. I suppose really I should be exceptionally pleased and ring the bell because I am up to 10 subscribers now. I'm talking. 10 subscribers now, which I'm pleased about, obviously. So I'm going to try and work out, I'll do a bit of maths here, how long it should take me to get 100. Okay, so I need a pen and a paper and a bit of brain work. 2nd of August 2015 to the 3rd of May 2016 is 5, 6, 7, 8 months equals 10 subscribers. Okay, so that is average of 1 point. I'm going to get this wrong, I know I am. 2 per month. Okay, so to get 100 subscribers, which would be nice, it will take me 80 months. 80 divided by 12 equals 6.666666, which should mean that by, let's say roughly, okay, we go roughly, shall we? So 6 years from now is 2022. So by 2022, I should have 100 subscribers if I carry on the way I'm going now. Let's just hope I live that long. So I'm still looking for rust to see how many holes there are and how bad it is really compared to putting it through the MOT again and not putting it through the MOT. How many bits I have to address. It's funny, isn't it, really, because it's a vehicle. When it's a vehicle, it's a car. If you buy a car and the car might cost you, let's say a car costs you £500, and you go in to have your MOT done, and it ends up that you've got to pay out £500 to get it repaired. Is it worth keeping? It's the same old thing, isn't it? It's the same old thing. Get it repaired, it'll last you a year. How much do you expect to spend on a car or a bus every year? I mean, they're very expensive. Vehicles are very expensive, just in general, really, aren't they? Vehicles are very expensive. I mean, let's face it, you wouldn't go out and buy anything else but a car that would cost you, say, £20,000. You think, oh, it's great. I've got this car. It's £20,000. For 3 years, I don't have to worry about MOTs and stuff. And then after that, oh yeah, it just costs you 1,000 to put it back. Okay. If what's happened to the bus has happened to your home, you would say, oh no, oh dear, the roof's leaking. Got to get a man round to do the tiling. I've got to get this done, got to get that done, and it's going to cost 300-400 quid. And that seems more acceptable than spending a few £100, which is what it is really, on a vehicle. I mean, I only paid £1,800 for Joan. I've had her 5 years. There was one large bill in the beginning, of course. And now there's going to be another large bill. A few bits of odds and sods, though, over the years. No more than about £200, maybe £300 that I've spent. But that's over 5 years. I mean, most people put their car in for a service, or their bus in for a service every sort of 10,000 miles, and you're talking about 150 quid. So if you do that every year, it's really difficult, isn't it? It's throwaway money, really. If you start comparing to boondocking, where you can drive, fill your tank up, and drive for as long as you want to, and then just stop and sleep, all you're paying is petrol or gas, which is another thing. The gas tank has definitely had it on this. It's going to have to definitely be taken off if he ever gets back on the road. But then you got holiday camps. I know they're nice, but if you rent a holiday camp, you rent the whole camp. If you rent a caravan in a holiday place, you're talking about £500-600 just for that for the week. Motorhome or a caravan into a site, you're talking, even at the peak of times, where to rent a caravan will be about £1,000. We're talking maybe a couple of hundred at the most for your caravan, your motorhome. And as long as your caravan or motorhome has got all its amenities, what's the problem?